Wonderful question by Pranay. Social media is all about negative and positive things. How do you take the negative ones? If you have to sell a bike in your garage within a week, which bike would you sell off?
Africa Twin.
Multi-strada, dude. Multi-strada any day. Three, two, one, go. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs.
I am actually settling down on the couch because there are loads of questions, few amazing ones, few kind of expected questions. And are you ready to answer them?
Oh yeah. First question. Do you want to give them an answer?
Definitely. The first question which I'm going to select is the first question which was posted to us, in fact. It was by Vinay and he asked us the mileage of the Panigale. For now, we're getting about 11 to 12 kilometers per litre. But I'm assuming that to jump to about 18 kilometers per
16
litre.
to 18 on the highway.
Again, this is because we have another bike from Ducati, similar power, which is the Multistrada. That gives us about that on the highway. So we are assuming this to give the same as well.
Vishal Jabalkar asked, what was the hardest decision that you guys made till now? It is in the vlogs, me accepting for the marriage. After the first lockdown, I was ready for the marriage. By the time the second lockdown, I'm already married. So
It's a very big decision in your life, right?
Oh, yeah.
Marriage. So it is by far the most important decision that somebody makes, your life partner. So big choice. Expected answer, I guess, but yes.
So Ruth, any more bike purchases? Not for next 2 years, one and a half to 2 years, definitely.
Ask him, it's 2 years, impossible for me. I don't see that possibility. Iske paas paise hai, so he might be buying. I don't know. Next question, Mohan. Is Ducati high maintenance? Is what he's asking. Yes, they are high maintenance because any Italian manufacturer generally is higher on the maintenance.
VUT asked LeBron James or Kobe Bryant.
I don't know either of them actually.
They are basketball players. We don't watch basketball. Probably LeBron James because he's more famous, I guess.
I don't know them. I don't even know them.
Srikar Reddy asked, are you planning to get wings for the V2? As an accessory too, you cannot fit wings for the V2.
There are sticky wings which are there, but
There's a third party accessory.
yeah, third party accessory.
But right now we are not planning. But if you find anything and if someone's coming soon from a foreign country, yes, definitely.
Hanimi Golamari. This is actually for me. What if Rohit is not into aviation? Then in which field Rohit is good at? Same question applies to Srijan as well. For me, I was actually very good at racing.
Mm-hmm.
I would have chosen that as my career for sure if it's not aviation. But aviation is a big thing for me. I've always been into aviation some way or the other related right from my childhood.
And
if not aviation, it was racing for me for sure.
And for me, I was actually interested in robotics. But at that time when I was studying, when I was doing my engineering, there were not many robotic colleges in India. Probably not in AP actually. There was one in LPU, but that I heard that college is not that good. My mom got scared and they never did it.
The next question by Vikas. Advice for youngsters to buy their dream bikes. Nothing else than hard work. Lot of hard work.
My suggestion is complete your education first, then start.
Yeah, that's what we've done. First big bike was a Benelli which I got with my first.
I was still studying back.
Yeah, I got it with my first salary.
So
The last bike that my dad kind of bought was the RC390.
Yes.
And every vehicle after that, car, bike,
Repurchase,
yeah,
reshaped.
yeah.
And Saurav Chiku, do you guys buy bikes in a loan? Because you have a huge collection and you guys don't sell. Yes, definitely loan. We are actually not into mutual funds or anything as such because we have no idea about it. So we take
Honest answer.
So we buy on loan and we try to clear the loan and keep the bikes for ourselves. And as you see, once the Street Triple loan was done, that's when I sold the Street Triple, got the V2. And the same goes for the Benelli, like Rohit explained. We sold the Benelli, got the Truxton. One is Ronnie. What was your first bike? My first bike was Pulsar 220.
And mine was
Fastest Indian.
Mine was the Bajaj Exceed 125 which I had in Chennai.
So, and Mandeep asked, what made you buy Ducati? Why not other? To be honest, our selection went down to the Harley Sportster S, which still not launched. It's launching tomorrow in IBW. And that bike, the ground clearance is too low. I guess I explained this already in a vlog. And S1000RR has got far too many purchases. There are far too many bikes, far too many S1000 RRs in Hyderabad, and the Hayabusa 2.
Hayabusa was definitely contention, but again, we were narrowed down to these two choices: the V2 and the Harley Davidson.
Yeah, and we removed the S1000
yeah.
RR, and we're not fans of Kawasaki's.
Again, another question by Tarun: how can a student maintain superbikes? Any suggestions? I wouldn't suggest a person who's a student to have a superbike. Earn your own money, then get your superbike.
Another question by Shiva Gatla: why did you choose Panigale and why not Daytona? Daytona is stopped all over the world. It's not into production, so obviously, and we wanted to take a twin instead of a.
We fell in love with twins.
We are actually twin lovers as of
as
now.
in we had a four-cylinder bike. We've ridden a lot of four-cylinder bikes. We had the Street Triple, which was as the name says, a triple, and we have all our bikes now are twins. So something about the twins which just sings for us.
The question, Vardhan Sai: is BMW S1000 worth the price?
Absolutely.
When compared to the V2, definitely it's worth. But again, 4 lakhs less than the S1000 RR, you're getting a 200 bhp bike called the Kawasaki Ninja 1000. That bike, if you see as value perspective, is better than S1000 RR. But at this price range, it's more about how you feel about the bike rather than how much power the bike produces.
That Rohit Anna is a pilot. This is by Santosh and also Sake, but don't know exactly what Srujan Anna does.
I'm into construction, yeah.
So what did you study? Is what they want to know.
Oh, I did my BTech in civil engineering, and then I've done my masters in Master of Planning and Urban Management. Then I came back to I worked there for a year. Then I came back to India, started my own firm here.
Just one. What is something that you wish people understand better about you?
About me?
About both of us.
People think that YouTube is life, but it is not. There is a lot more things going on behind the camera. What's happening in front of the camera is like what, 5% of our life?
Not even that.
Not even 5%. Yeah. And 95% of the life are, you guys don't know, and people judge us based on
the 5% what you see.
Yeah, and I want to change that, but I don't know how.
It is. I don't think it's possible because all they see is the glam. The hard work is never visible on camera.
Yeah.
About anybody, no matter, not only our channel, any channel, it's the same. The hard work is not visible on camera, so it's not possible to easily understand.
Rishi Raj, will we see a Ladakh trip on the mighty Multistrada? Yes, definitely a big yes.
I don't know where that question is, yes, but yes, for sure.
Question by Aitu Dharmateja: when Two Brother Vlogs are going to buy EV segment vehicles? To be honest, in the coming few futures, petrol and diesel, the commission cars will go down. But right now, where I'm looking at is value proposition, right? Let us take the Nexon EV. Nexon EV costs 17 lakhs top end, and petrol Nexon costs 13 lakhs. There's
a huge bridge, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of, and you will not spend 4 lakhs on petrol any given day. And right now in India, as the manufacturing goes, when they make batteries, they have to burn fossil fuels. So you are actually not saving it up on.
Not yet. Maybe
in the future, yeah. But right now in India, not yet. I'm vegan.
You got the answer. I don't think anything more is required. Okay, this is by Bunny. How do you manage your time with office work, housework, with family, and even with 4 bikes and stuff?
It's hectic. It's extremely hectic. Like you saw, time is what?
Time is actually
10:55
right now in the evening.
We came home at 7 o'clock from the office. I came home at 7 o'clock from the office.
I joined him at the office as well.
I had my dinner, and now I'm making a video, and I need to edit it and upload it for you guys. It's actually hectic.
It's quite hectic. YouTube, along with your regular life, is very hectic.
That is one of the reasons why, again,
we are not very regular video makers.
And also one of the reasons why we are actually cannot go out to meet everyone. We
don't have time, basically.
Question by Uday: what are your thoughts on Honda Goldwing? Excellent bike, very bad pricing. Very bad pricing.
It was actually very good pricing once upon a time. before Big Wing opened up?
Yes. Right now, all Hondas. Let us take the new Africa
Except the
Twin.
CB350s.
Let us take the Africa Twin. When I purchased, it was for 16 lakhs. Now it is coming for 21 lakhs. The Honda Big Wing, when it was launched, 26
Not
lakhs.
Big Wing,
Gold Wing. When it was launched, it was 26 lakhs. Now it is 45 lakhs.
45. It goes up to 50 lakhs in fact.
And CBR, the Fablet, CBR 1000, it was launched at
No, it's
35. It is 35. When it was launched initially, it was not even 20 lakhs. I don't know.
Honda has gone berserk with its pricing in India. I don't know. So,
Name your new Ducati, the Panigale V2. We call it the Snowflake. Which one will you choose? H2, M1000RR, Hayabusa, Panigale V4S.
V4S for me.
Looks department, the V4S. Power department, the H2.
V4S for me in all departments.
Sound department, probably the M1000RR.
Come on, do you think V40 2803 create an online lobby in F1 2020 if possible? Actually, very good idea. I think we should do that. We should all race.
22. Yeah, we have the 2020, not the 2021.
Yeah, so 2020 that makes more sense. We should do that. We should
And
definitely do that.
updates for that, video will also be in the. Why you don't buy one premium car instead of buying normal ones? Paise, and also
We are not that much into cars at this stage.
no, we can actually buy. To be honest, looking at the purchases which we did, the i20 costed 14 lakhs. The XUV which you are planning to buy is 26. So if we mix both of them, that is still 40 lakhs. And the base M3, sorry, not the M3, 3 Series is 55 lakhs.
So not big of a jump, but again, we will definitely.
But we
take
need
it.
many cars. I mean, we need
Yeah,
minimum
we
of
need,
3 cars.
Yeah, we need three
Three
times 4 cars as well in our house because we are a lot of number.
Ducati is the new Ducati PPF for protection. Want to see Srijan bro riding the Ducati V2? It is actually happening as we speak. It's not with us. The V2 is not with us right now. Exhaust in the V2, we are actually keeping it stock.
And it's loud.
It's loud.
It is so loud that people, are surprised that a BS6 or a Euro 5 bike can be that loud.
And
So-
we don't want to change exhaust aftermarket. We don't want to go aftermarket exhaust for two
Two
reasons.
reasons.
One,
It's
the stock exhaust is quite decent.
loud. And second, it's not legal in
It's
India.
not legal,
anymore.
especially here in Hyderabad. People are destroying exhaust here and they're seizing bikes with aftermarket exhaust, and we don't want to fall into that category and ruin our bike. Rishi 26 Naidu, how are you people able to afford a Panigale i20 N-Line and a XUV 700 in such a small time? Panigale I purchased, technically, and N-Line Rohit purchased, and XUV 700 Dad purchased. So it falls under
One roof, but yeah, different sources of income, right?
yes. And what made you become a vlogger, bro? During the first lockdown, we were so bored and we wanted to do something.
Yeah, that's one. And before that, also there were 4 videos I made about aviation. Right? So people,
And
a lot of queries regarding flying and all came
And
up.
also we want to keep information as approachable as possible, as engaging as possible, and as true as possible. Ganesh 1998 asked, bro, can you suggest a bike between Trident 660 or the Z650?
Personally, for me, I think it would be the Trident. It sounds better, more power.
My suggestion is Z650.
Reliability is
Reliability, cheaper to maintain.
much cheaper to maintain.
And I don't feel the Trident 660 has that level of quality levels when compared to the other Triumphs.
Agreed. But I would still prefer the Trident over the Kawasaki, personally.
Train. He knows we are vlogging. Dhanraj, currently I have a 360cc classic bike planning for an upgrade. Which would you suggest? Which would you recommend? It depends on the budget here. If you're okay to spend, get the Street Triple. Otherwise, purchase the 660s or the 650s.
Two brothers. So my question is there any such dream bike still after having the V2 now? And if possible, tell us which bike that would be. I think every bike we own is actually a dream bike.
Oh yeah.
There
There are still more. I still like the Indian Scout Bobber.
But again, our bike collection, I've seen much better collections, bigger collections, but it is a dream collection for us.
At least for us,
yeah,
we are proud of it.
we're very. It's every bike we have is a dream come true for us.
Though I still regret selling the Street Triple. We had to sell it to buy the V2, but in future, someday in future, we will definitely buy a Street Naked again.
Big claims.
He's from Australia. Which uni you have done your masters? I've done from University of Western Sydney. It's in Sydney.
Social guy. What books do Rohit and Srijan read?
Kuch nahi yaar, nothing.
Not anymore.
Typical Brahmin food: pappu, avakai, potato, ghee, aloo fry yaar. Any day. That is the best vegetarian food there is. Complimented me on the shirt.
Yeah, the one you wore last.
Yeah. Thank you.
This is actually for me, against you. Rohit Anna, have you ever been asked to take care of Srijan as elder brother? If yes, how did you feel? Age difference of 6 years. Obviously, he's much younger to me, and इसके लिए मैं हमेशा बुड्ढा भाई हूँ. And I used to babysit him a lot when I was younger, or when he was much younger.
खबर है? याद ही नहीं है.
तेरे गिड्डू था ना. Mom and dad used to go to the office.
A wonderful question by Praneeth. Social media is all about negative and positive comments. How do you take the negative ones? To be honest, positive comments help us a lot. Looking at them gives us, encouragement to do next video, new videos, lot more. But for the negative comments,
he takes it much better than me. I get a little agitated, irritated at times.
It actually, pinches a bit. To be very honest, it pinches a bit.
Again, we are trying to you faster, right?
Yeah,
and honestly, regarding this, he stops me a lot. I get. What do you say? What is the word to use?
Agitated.
More than agitated. I get fixated on those questions or on those hate comments and stuff, and I'll be like, once and whatever. But he stops me a lot. He's more patient in that.
So in the same way, negative comments do pinch a lot. Even when there's someone in the vlog, let's say there's a guest or there's a friend, and he probably did something which one of you guys did not like, and you post a small comment, the entire world can see it, and everyone can see him, but they'll not know you. So
yeah, it'll hurt that person also a lot if they whatever.
Yeah, try to minimize it, but
again, there are people who like you who don't like you.
Exactly, can't help it.
We can't help it. Would you guys ever hit the track? Yes. Oof. Yes. We intend to hit the track. Not on V2 because we've never done track days, both of us so
in the
far
future.
ever. I used to do a lot of go-karting when I was younger, to a stage where I almost went to racing when engineering stopped me. But bike track days I've never done, planning to do it for sure.
Kenny Adams, Ducati Multistrada or the V2? No diplomatic answers? V2. देख यार उसको देख ऐसे. M93 Marc Marquez, F1 team and favorite rider?
Ferrari, Michael Schumacher. I used to watch Formula 1 when this one used to drink milk off a bottle, yeah. And I stopped it after that for a very long period, and I'm back into Formula 1 now.
I actually like Mercedes, but not the current lineup. I'm a supporter of George Russell. So next year, hopefully. This year I'm neutral. Oh, neutral, and I want Lando to win. So anti-Ferrari. I and my Tiger, GoPro or Insta360? Definitely the Insta360 for the picture clarity, but for motovlogging, GoPro. Do you agree?
It's much easier.
Ooh, we'll have a debate here.
Yes.
Let's have a debate.
Yes.
Avinash Kumar 7645 asked an amazing question. If you have to sell a bike in your garage within a week, which bike would you sell off?
Africa Twin.
Multistrada, dude. Multistrada any day.
Africa Twin any day.
Multistrada. Wait. Let's see. Africa Twin. Okay, fine. Let's say it's not that powerful, but it goes enough speed. It goes way beyond the safety limit as well, not the traffic limit.
It doesn't have brakes.
Decent brakes. It can go anywhere without the fear of braking.
So Multistrada can go.
No.
On the road it can go anywhere.
On the road.
So ऐसे बोलो तो trucks can't go, V2 also can't go.
Who can't go? That is the reason why I'm saying.
It's okay. Any one bike in the garage.
It depends on whom you're asking.
Love that question, by the way. I'll answer this question in two parts. The first one, why did we pick the V2? Because we just love the way it looks, and we wanted a super sports which we never had in our own garage. So that's one. And then coming to the question which you asked, V2 produces heat. All Ducatis produce a lot of heat, and to my pleasant surprise, it produces less heat than the Multistrada. He's asking the difference, right? And what is a PPF? PPF is like a screen guard on your phone. Simple terms. So if something happens to that, remove it, you can put a new one. The paint underneath will remain good. And we believe more in PPF now. It's much more expensive than ceramic coating, but yes, it is better. Vignesh, which is the best vehicle in your garage? Both of us will agree on that. There's only one.
V2.
Are you serious? We don't agree on that.
What?
Thruxton.
V2. I would say Thruxton the second. And Thruxton the second without the cowl, okay?
Yeah, okay. But as a vehicle, he likes the Thruxton without the cowl. We were supposed to remove the cowl, We've actually put a poll regarding that as well. We haven't.
I want to personally remove. It looks cool without the cowl, dude. Even we haven't thought about it. If I ask Rohit, he'll be shocked. Listen to this, huh? So far you have named your bikes. What might be your garage name?
I think I've seen this question somewhere. I don't know. Monsters Inc.
You guys suggest a good name in the comment section. We will look into it.
Yeah, if possible, because we actually plan to graffiti the outside of the garage whenever we do that. Not immediately. Whenever we do that, if we have a good name, we'll graffiti it on the outside.
Is it possible to deliver painting art to Chennai? Yeah, it is possible.
Not
all
only
over
Chennai,
India.
yeah, all over the world, in fact. So
Yeah.
that delivers.
All
She's
over-
in fact sent a painting to the US as well, somewhere in
Australia
Texas.
भी भेजा है ना? Australia, US, Dubai.
हाँ.
Gaddina asked how much would the cost of the new bike first service? No idea, yaar, we still did not give it.
I'll
Close
tell
to
you.
6 to 8,000.
No. $12,000. Yes. That is my estimate. 10 to 12. But yeah, once we get it, we'll tell you guys what it is.
Out of all the bikes we own, Africa Twin is the cheapest to maintain. The service cost will be not more than 2,000 or 2,500 rupees.
Question by Rakesh Gada. Why not the MV Agusta F3, Brutale, Dragster, the entire MV Agusta series? Because they are rare in India. Answer simple. MV has shut operations in India, period. There are no MV Agusta showrooms or Kinetic Royal.
MV Delhi mein hai na?
Nope.
Shut.
Nowhere in India. It's completely shut operations in India. So there's no way we can get those bikes now.
Go MK. How did you complete your BTech in 4 years at VNR? Struggle tha yaar. 4 years. Ashwit Reddy. Who's your favorite Telugu moto vlogger? Telugu moto vlogger एक ही है ना अपना भैया सनी यादव. Zindabad.
There are many more as well.
Zindabad BSY. With a large group of passionate bikers and bloggers, what do you want to tell for your youngsters? It's the same thing. We actually repeated this. Complete your education, get a stable job, then start planning bikes and trips.
Absolutely. So these are a few of the questions we answered, and there's so many more. I'm pretty sure you kind of got the gist of things here.
Yeah, there are many repeated questions. I'm sorry if I skipped your name, but they're like repeated questions. They're pretty much the same thing. But yeah, hope you guys got to know many things. If you still want
Another session of
no,
such,
actually, I was
we
saying
can do
if you
another one at a later stage.
If you
Brother like this. थप्पड़ डाल दो इसको.
I was just saying, if you still want more questions, you can always leave it in the comment section, or if it's something personal, just messages on Two Brother Vlogs page, Instagram page, or me and Rohit's personal page. We can directly message you. We generally message everyone.
Hey, a lot of people even ask this question, right? Do we ever fight now, or did we ever fight in the past?
We don't physically fight, right?
I used to thrash him out.
We don't physically fight, but we obviously
Like
in Hindi we say bhadas nikalte na. It's the same thing. At times it happens.
Obviously. Who gets more angry?
If I get angry, my anger will stay for many days. If he gets angry, it's like spike. Boom!
And then I vent it out and then I'm done. I'm like, okay. See him irritated, he'll be like, what's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. That's the day you know that he's irritated on somebody or something at home or office or whatever. Saying that,
Yeah,
You know what? It's actually time is
10:30.
10:30 in the night. It's time for us to end this video, edit it, post it online for you guys tomorrow. We have some amazing content lined up in December for you guys to watch. I should say I will believe it. You will not believe it at what crazy things are coming up in the near future. So be hooked up to this channel. And please subscribe, like, share. Oh my god, we don't say that very often.
No.
But if you like our content, you stay to this long.
Unnatural to us.
Yeah, but we love your support as much. So thank you very much for your unconditional love. So see you guys in the next video. Till then,
December is going to be a very big month. To be honest, 2021 has been a woof to us.
Yeah.
Got married, got the bikes, went on trips, doing something new, purchased many things. Aggie पैदा हुआ 2020 Sorry.
see again, last 2 years was that
That
for
in a
everybody,
flash,
right?
yeah.
So we hope things get better for everybody. See you in the next video, guys. Love you.
Peace out.
Peace out.